Hello, hello, how's everyone doing on this wonderful day? Welcome to my channel. I'm Marcella with Dream Plan Hustle Achieve, and today we are going to be going through some Planner Kate sticker haul. Oh, love stickers. Who doesn't love stickers, right? Okay, so here is some freebies that you get. These cute little doodles and some stars where you can, utilize it. Habit tracker or for reading books. Some headers. I think this might be her earth colors. And some days. These I have yet to figure it out. And then, because I like her Bill Do stickers, I've made my own too, but sometimes if I prefer to buy them sometimes. And so I purchased her EC Color Swatch so I can see it better, with whatever color I'm trying to match. And so you got the bold muted blooms and bouquet, PK rainbow, earth. No, that's the whole thing. So yes, I was correct. That's her earth colors. And look at these guys. Look, I saw this and I was just like, oh, I had to get it. I just had to. Like, OMG, Hakuna Matata. Alright, so you have, I forget what these are all sometimes, but, you got these little individual items. You can spread all over the place. And so I bought the whole set because I didn't know what I wanted, and I was like, I'll figure it out, and then, I'll have colors and can just use it later. You have two strips right here, the box, the weekend, and all these other little goodies. I love these decorative boxes, and then just a few plain ones too. And then you got some days and your dates and little bitty flags, which this would be great to use in a monthly as well. However, that might be a little big. I'm not sure. But, or the weekly, whatever. If you do daily sheets, got that too. And then just some more individual boxes. These could be used for appointments, bills. But if you've seen my monthly billing videos, yeah, this ain't enough for me. Redonk. And then here's another strip. And then some full decorative boxes and some checklists. I don't too much use these kind of boxes, but I'll use them whenever, or figure something out with them. Usually I tend to try to use, the stickers I buy. And then here you have a whole bunch of different washi strips. Some, wait, are these? Yep, some super thin ones on the edge. And then of course you could just mix this up with another, kit. And then here you got this. You could turn this into a monthly if you have, the month. Just stick that on there, cover up, make your own monthly. Yeah, and of course it's like, I didn't need it, but again, I needed to buy all of the stickers and then I'll figure it out from there. That's, to me, that just sounds more smart. Right? Okay. And then I saw this. And I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get it. It's a must. A lot of things are musts. However, I say that, and sometimes, I don't just buy everything. Sometimes I actually do, not buy anything. Look at these ladybugs. Now, love me some red and black. You know, if you saw my birthday month videos, you know, I was trying to get some certain type of red and black, but you know, anywho, you got some more decorative boxes, little checklists, these little items, icons. Oh, that's what I think they're called, icons, and the Hello Weekend sticker, and a few of these. And then again, you got a weekly, um, months and dates and little flags, or monthly, however, whatever floats your boat. And then, you know, the boxes again. And then here's the full boxes with some headers. It's great. And this is a washi strip type deal. This makes me think of Freddy Krueger. This part. Obviously not that part. Here's some more washi strips. And then you got your monthly. Look at these. Ah, so adorable. I loved it. But yeah, so I will be utilizing this one pretty soon. All right. Well, there is my wonderful stickers from Planner Kate. Make sure you check her out. She has Misfit Mondays and Warehouse Wednesdays. Yes. Oh, just everything all around. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, God bless, and I hope you have a wonderful day.